Hi guys, how you doing? Hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video I'm going to try on some of my braided wigs, and I just want you to comment down below if you love the color, if you love the style, and also if you're interested in any of my wigs or these ones. I'll leave my details in the comment section down below so you can contact me and I'll make it for you. So I have 4 of them, same style, different colors. So just comment down below guys if you love them. I haven't sewn combs on these wigs, but you can wear them with just a band, or you can as well just use combs. So let me just wear this before I wear my wigs. But then if you wear a cap before you wear your braided wigs and you want to use the combs, there's no way you're going to insert the combs in your hair. So I prefer if you just wear the wigs without the caps, or you can just push it behind like this, so that you know the hair at the back is like smoother and neat. And then right here, this is where you're going to insert your combs, here and here. Yeah, but then you can as well just wear them without combs, but without combs, with just a band. So this is the first wig that I'm going to try on. It's a ponytail. I added these accessories. So if you have combs, or if it has combs, what you're going to do, you're just going to, like, after you put it on, don't insert the combs first. After you put it on, that's when you lift the hair and insert the combs in your hair like that, and then insert. So another thing guys, with these wigs, you can decide to sew them on your cornrows. If you don't want to keep on like removing them at night, you can just sew them on your cornrows, like on the side cornrows. And then make sure when you're taking it off, or when you want to cut the thread, just be careful not to cut the wig or to cut your hair. So this is how it looks, and just comment down below guys if you love this style. So this style is almost like this other style that I shared with you, but now for this I used a 360 lace. For this one I haven't used a 360 lace. So guys, if you have the side hair or the side bands, or you have some baby hair right here, you can just pull them and maybe apply gel on them to even make it look more natural.
The summer's calling. The summer's calling. If the kingdom is overthrown, meet me at the cornerstone. I know that I can't be without you. This bond is solid gold. We're a diamond and an emerald. It took me forever to find you. 'Cause when it's all over, the love that you give will be there to guide you in every way. Now we've been through the cold and darkest days. The summer's calling.
So that was it for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, or if you found it entertaining, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And also, if you're interested in any of my wigs, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below, so you can contact me and I'll make it for you. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye.